Would you believe me if I told you that this hairstyle was crochet? Hey crochet besties, I am back with another tutorial to show y'all how I achieved this look, which I call crown crochet. It's called crown crochet because it's individuals around a perimeter, and in the middle is cornrows like regular crochet. So I already made my individual plaits around the perimeter, as y'all can see, and I added weave onto the ends of her hair because her hair at the end is straight and we don't want it to slip out the lock. Now I am connecting those middle braids. As you can see, I just added that last cornrow to the next cornrow, and I'll do that all the way until the end. And it should look just like this, nice and flat. So after we have the foundation done, we have to attach the crochet locks. For the individual plaits, you attach it at the root, and then you make sure you knot it. You want to knot it so it won't go anywhere. And once you knot it, then you're going to go on. Oh, this is what it should look like. Of course, you see that. The braid should be hanging out, but we don't want the braid hanging out. So we're going to pull the braid through the lock and cover the braid. You would do this for all the individuals. This is the most tedious part, but it's the part that you will love down the line because it makes the hairstyle more versatile. Now for the middle, this is the most easiest part. You're just attaching the crochet to the cornrow, and you want to make sure that you add enough hair to where you don't see the cornrow at all. This is the finished product, and it should look nice and full in the middle. This hairstyle typically takes me 2.5 to 3 hours to complete, so no long sitting. And also, since it's crochet, it's a protective style and it's not tight, since it's a pull-through method that we use versus the hand wrapping method. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Amazon storefront. See you in the next video. Bye.